Myself, Sheeba Daniel from the Department of Chemistry, Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Today, I am going to explain the topic chemistry software. Chemistry softwares. What is a chemistry software? Chemistry software is a software which is used to draw chemical structures in 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. It aids in design, simulation and analysis in the field of chemistry, biotechnology, pharmaceutical, agrochemical industries, etc. And it is used for the calculation of molecular properties, supports molecule manipulation and processing, molecular modeling and drug design. So next is the examples of chemistry softwares. First example is ChemDoodle. The next one is ChemDraw. Next ChemAxon, Avogadro, Winmostar. So these are some examples of chemistry softwares. Next is ChemDoodle. ChemDoodle is a chemistry software which provides the best graphics in chemistry. And it is a powerful tool for drawing chemical structures. It provides customizable graphics and paste scalable vector graphics. It also provides round-trip editing into Microsoft Office. And it is applicable to all operating systems. The next one is the ChemDraw. ChemDraw is also a chemistry software. It's a molecule editor developed in 1985 by David A. Evans and Stuart Rubenstein. It's a part of the Chem Office suite of programs. A lot of templates are available in ChemDraw, that is, templates for drawing structures, labwares and style templates for chemical journals. And it also consists of spectral simulation and it is used to predict the NMR and mass spectrum of chemical compounds. The most common file formats are CDX, XML and CDXML. And it is available for Macintosh and Microsoft Windows. The next one is the ChemAxon. ChemAxon is also a chemistry software which provides chem informatics software platforms, applications and services to optimize the value of chemistry information in life science and other research and development. It provides structure visualization and management, property prediction, virtual synthesis, screening, drug design and maintaining referential integrity. So these are some features of ChemAxon. And it allows users to create powerful, cost-effective, cross-platform solutions and programming interfaces to power modern chem informatics and chemical communications. Next one is the Avogadro. Avogadro is also a chemistry software. It's a molecular modeling software. It provides advanced molecule editor and visualizer for cross-platform use in computational chemistry, molecular modeling, bioinformatics, material science and related areas. The main features of Avogadro software, which include open table import of chemical files, input generation for multiple computational chemistry package, crystallography and biomolecules. And it is suitable for Windows, Linux and Mac OS X. And it is easy to install and all source code and documentation is available to modify or extend. That means it is free and open source. The next one is the Winmostar. Winmostar is also a molecular modeling software. It provides molecular modeling and visualization software program. It's a simulation software for performing quantum chemical, molecular dynamics and band calculations. For molecular modeling function, it has been confirmed to operate up to 1 lakh atoms. So Winmostar is a very good software for molecular modeling and visualization. So it is a paid software and 1 month free trial pack is available for educational purpose. So students, all of you download this 1 month free trial pack and then explore the features of Winmostar. Next, I am going to demonstrate Winmostar in detail. So this is the Winmostar software window and this is the default window. It consists of 2 atoms. So for drawing chemical compounds, first you have to delete these atoms. So you have to select the atom and then click delete. So a dialog box appears. You have to click yes. Then next you have to press delete for deleting this atom. You have to select it and delete. Then next select it and delete. Select it and delete. Yes. So next I am going to draw a chemical structure. For example, the structure of methane. How to draw methane in Winmostar. So here there are 2 options to draw chemical structure in Winmostar. First option is you have to draw directly from the table or the periodic table, or the second one is you have to import smile notation to draw the chemical structure. So first option is this one. So here one drop down arrow is there. You have to click this drop down arrow and it consists of all the elements in the periodic table. Suppose if you want to draw methane, I have to choose this first one, that is the carbon atom, the C, carbon atom C. Choose it and then click. Choose it and then you have to click the button add atoms. So this is the carbon atom. So the methane consists of 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Next step is you want to draw the 4 hydrogen atoms. So for that, once again you just click the drop down arrow, then you choose the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen, then add atom. So this is the hydrogen. This one is carbon and this one is hydrogen. And then next step is we want to draw a bond between this carbon and hydrogen. So for drawing a bond, you have to choose this one. First you select these atoms. Here in this case already the 2 atoms, the carbon and the hydrogen are selected. Then you just click this one. So a bond is formed between the carbon and hydrogen atom. So next step is once again you select the hydrogen atom and then click it. Click the plus button, that is add atom, and you draw the hydrogen atom. The next step is you have to draw a bond between the carbon atom and the hydrogen atom. So for that, first you choose the cell, that is select the atoms. So first you have to select this one, hydrogen atom and the carbon atom. So these 2 atoms are selected and then you have to click this option, that is bond. So a bond is formed between the carbon and the hydrogen atom. The next one is once again you take the hydrogen atom, then click the plus symbol, this add atom. You have to add this hydrogen atom. The next step is draw a bond between this carbon and the hydrogen atom. Carbon and the hydrogen atom. Now these 2 atoms are selected and then you click this option, add or change bond. So a bond is formed between the carbon and the hydrogen atom. So next step is once again you click the hydrogen. Next click this add atom button, then you click it. So this is the drawing window, you have to click it. Then you have to draw a bond between the carbon atom and the hydrogen atom. So just to click this one. So this is the structure of methane. Okay. So after drawing this methane, some properties are there. That is, here N is the total number of atoms. So here the total number of atom is 5. Then the molecular formula is CH4 and molecular weight is 16.04. and that is the bond length is 1.8421 and the angle is 54.468 degree. And in this side some matrices are there. This one is the Z matrix and the XYZ matrix. So this is the Z matrix. So it gives the complete three-dimensional geometry of this compound. So we will see this Z matrix in detail in Chem Informatics 3D geometry. So this is the first option to draw a chemical structure in Winmostar. Next option is you have to import SMILE nomenclature, and then you have to directly draw the structure. So for that, first I delete this. I am going to delete the atoms. Yes. Select for deleting, select the atoms and then delete. Yes. Next step is I am going to draw a structure from SMILE's nomenclature. So for that, first you go to Google and then search the SMILE nomenclature of phenol. SMILE nomenclature. Then you have to click this one, that is PubChem. This is a database. It consists of all the nomenclature, that is SMILES, INSEE and all the nomenclature in this website. So you click the PubChem. So this is the PubChem website, and here the compound is the phenol. So this is the structure of phenol, and then it consists of all the properties of phenols and the nomenclature, IUPAC name, INSEE name, then canonical SMILE. So this is the SMILE's representation of phenol. So first you copy this SMILE's representation and then go to Winmostar and then go to File. Here one option is there, import SMILES. You click this option, SMILES. So a dialog box appear. In this dialog box you have to paste the SMILE's nomenclature of phenol and then click this button, use below, then import. So a dialog box appear. Do you want to save changes? You have to click yes. Yes, and then you have to name the file. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You have to change it. Then a dialog box appear. This dialog box appear. You have to just close it and then go to Winmostar. And once again a dialog box appear and it shows successfully finished. You have to click OK. So this is the structure of phenol, and it is easy to draw the structure of phenol from SMILE's nomenclature. Suppose if you draw the structure of phenol by using this first option, what happens means sometimes the bond length varies. Then if we draw it from the SMILE's nomenclature, it is easy to draw, and this is the structure of phenol. Here just you see this, the number of atoms is 13, molecular formula is C6H6O, the molecular weight is 94.11, then length, then angle is also there. Okay. So this is the procedure to draw a structure in Winmostar. Hope you understand the topic chemistry software and the demo of Winmostar software. That is how to draw chemical structures in Winmostar software. Thank you. Wish you a happy learning.